What is up, YouTube? Texas Pro Outdoors here. Today we're taking a look at this 1911 Black Label Pro. It's a 380 model. It's very similar to a lot of 1911s, whether it's a 22 or 45. I just want to do a quick disassembly to show you how easy it is. First, let me check and make sure it's all clear. Mag is clear. Check the barrel. Nothing in the barrel, as you can see. All right. Now, first thing you want to do is make sure the hammer is all the way back in the cock position. And then you will take and flip your gun up and push down on the plug. You'll rotate the barrel bushing clockwise, and then you'll slowly release the plug. You don't want any of the spring pressure to shoot out the plug at you. And from this point, I will go ahead and slide the slide back until I see that notch right there. That makes it super easy for me to take my slide stop out. I'm going to push on the other side. I can go ahead and yank my slide stop out. Then I'm going to push my slide forward, and my slide will just come right off the frame. Now I'm going to take a look inside. I have right here, I have my bushing, which I'm going to rotate a little bit, and I'm going to wiggle it out. It's going to catch on the recoil spring there for a second. There's my barrel bushing. Now I'm going to take and grab my recoil spring and my guide rod right there. And from this point, I can just slide the barrel forward, and it will come straight out of the slide. I probably need to clean this a little bit, add a little extra oil. And I'm not going to take my slide and further disassemble any other parts, firing pin or anything like that. Here's my frame. I'm going to take and oil my frame probably right here. That way it slides a lot easier. But yeah, as you can see, it's super simple to take apart. Not too many parts to clean. Super easy. Now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to reassemble the gun, but I'm just going to do everything in reverse. I'm going to slide my barrel back in. Now it's back into place. I'm going to take my recoil spring and guide rod, slide them into place. And what I like to do is I like to take my frame and I like to put it on upside down. That way nothing really moves out of place. It makes it a little bit easier for me when I reassemble it. One thing you have to watch out for is, as you can see, your frame may catch with your slide. There you go. Now it's back in where that notch is, and you can see that notch right there. I'm going to line everything back up, and I'm going to make sure the slide stop goes right back into place, and it clicks. There we go. Now I'm going to slide the slide forward, and from this point I want to put the barrel bushing and the plug back in. So I start over on the right-hand side. I'm going to snap it into place. I'm going to rotate it clockwise. And then I'm going to put the barrel bushing clockwise, put the plug, push the plug, and then slide the barrel bushing right back into place. And as you can see, it's all clear. Yeah, it's a really great gun. I like this gun a lot. Super simple to clean, easy to take apart, and shoots wonderfully. Anyway, see you later, y'all.